Wondering if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Here's how you can guess. If you can no longer see their last seen or online status, it could be a sign you have been blocked. When you send a message and it will only show one check mark message sent instead of two check marks message delivered, you won't be able to see their profile picture or status updates anymore. Keep in mind that these could also be privacy settings, so it's not always a sure sign of being blocked. Have you ever suspected someone blocked you? Let me know your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.